Welcome back to All About the Smokies. Today's video, we're here at the shops at the Mountain Mile. We're going to have some lunch at the 35 Kitchen and Bar, and we're going to walk around this beautiful, beautiful area. Let's get started. This video is being brought to you by Neil and Deb Allison. Neil and Deb are sponsors of All About the Smokies. They joined on YouTube at the sponsorship level. Thank you so much for your contribution. Now, on to the video. Here comes the train. The Mountain Monster is in operation. It's a different sight during the day here, for sure. A lot more goings-ons. We didn't come over to this side last time. So there's even more. Like I said, there's cornhole boards here. This is like a little climbing area for kids. It's got this metal chain link. Kids can climb up. They've got little things, little birdhouses, but a little tunnel for them to hang out in, maybe get away from the sun. But this place just keeps growing and growing. Hello. How are you? This way. Alright, here are the appetizers. And you have salads. Smoked barbecue trays. There's the burgers. And then they have other sandwiches. It is a bar, so they do have a collection of alcoholic beverages and a bar to sit at. It's very nice in here. I love the floors, black and white design that goes through this place. It's very pretty. This exposed brick here, and just look at the booth that I'm sitting at too. Everything has these clean colors, blacks, whites, and then the brick. It's just really nice. So that came ridiculous quick. I don't even know how they would have potentially done that, but I ordered the Nashville hot chicken. That's what we got here, and the sweet potato waffle fries, which look amazing. But I mean, that was insanity quick. This looks like a marshmallow dipping sauce, maybe for the fries. Let's give it a shot. All right, let's give this a shot. Try these fries first. This is like a marshmallow dipping sauce. It's a sweet sauce. That's excellent. Very good. Love the dip stuff though, man. It is fantastic. Alright, prepare to see me get messy. This thing is a behemoth. Look at this. Cross section. I don't know how you even get your mouth around this thing. That is really good. I never would have thought I would have liked the coleslaw on a burger on a chicken sandwich like that, but man, it is perfect. That is excellent. Excellent. I mean, I can tell you, without having to go to a recap somewhere else, these fries are great. This chicken sandwich is amazing. Absolutely love everything about this. And the speed of service, well, they're not packed, so that could have something to do with it, but I mean, it was out in like 5 minutes. Not even that, probably. I don't know, like, that's quick turnaround. Quick turnaround. Everything is fresh. I don't know. I have nothing but good things to say. So I'll show you the check, and then we'll take a quick walk around. All right, here's my total. The hot chicken sandwich was $11.99. The fries would have come with it, but I opted for the waffle fries, the sweet potato waffle fries, which added an extra $1. So the $11.99 would have included sandwich and fries, and the total is $2.69. So it looks like total $17.20 for one with tax. Families out here. You got people playing checkers. There's people playing chess down on the other side. You got people playing like beer pong over here with giant buckets. Just a beautiful area. If you don't stop here at some point and just relax and enjoy this, you really are missing out. I'm gonna walk over to the fountain here for a moment. So that was a really great meal, really great experience. Love coming here. I just feel more relaxed just being here. Like, it just, I can't explain it. I just feel so good being in this area. They did such a good job of making a nice, relaxing area for everyone in the family to enjoy. So that meal was great. Highly recommend that place. Good, quick service, very attentive. So please give this place a try. There's other shops down through here. Not gonna be able to look at today, but lots of things to check out, and it just keeps growing. That'll do it for this video from the Great Smoky Mountains. We hope you have a great day. God bless.